Today, we're going to continue down the path of looking at classic rock songs from my youth and probably your youth. And if you're a young whippersnapper and you don't know these songs, you should. So listen up and learn something, you punk. Just kidding. So today's band we're going to look at is Grand Funk Railroad. GFR, yo. Shortened to Grand Funk eventually. It's a arena rock style band. They play straight ahead rock and roll, nothing fancy about it, but real crowd pleasing songs. The ones that come to mind, Some Kind of Wonderful. Oh, that's a great song. And I Am Your Captain, Closer to Home. And the one that we're going to do today, which is probably their biggest hit, which is We're an American Band. Great tune. I've got a live recording of that song from them in 1974. I glanced through it. It looks like the quality's okay, and I'll tweak it up audio-wise once I get to editing. So hopefully it'll sound good, and I hope you'll enjoy it. I can't believe that any of you out there don't know this song. But, of course, I've been wrong before once, about 4 years ago. I was wrong. So let's take a look at We're an American Band by GFR, yo, from 1974. Let's do it. Cowbell. They are nailing this song, man. They are right on the money. I didn't realize it was the drummer that was singing this song. I wish I could pull off the shirtless thing. That would be nice. I'm so happy for these guys. Anyway, let's press on. They didn't have the second guitar there for the solo, but I tell you what, I have never loved this song more than I'm doing right now. I mean, they are so freaking tight. They are an American band. They're an American professional band. They are really killing it. Well, that was freaking awesome. You know, they make it look so easy, but it's not that easy. Not all bands can pull that off. I mean, that was right. That was boom, boom, boom. Perfect. The singing was great, and his drumming was great, and it was very powerful drumming, incidentally. But just nailed that whole song front to back, and I'm really impressed. I wasn't a huge GFR fan, but I like their popular songs. And this one, like I said, I don't think I've ever liked this song more than I do right now, based on that performance. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Stick around with me and my channel. We're going to be looking at all kinds of stuff like this. Subscribe, hit the notification. I don't even know what that is. I think it's something you click on. Anyway, thanks for stopping by, and stay young.